What's up, guys? Jake back again, and I'm going to be talking about today kind of some of the things that I've been seeing a lot of. Is the stock market crashing? What should you do? What I'm personally doing, and all that other fun stuff. But if you have a second before, go ahead and click the link below and check out my Patreon, where you can get live updates of all the stuff I do regarding stocks. Lots of information being put on there constantly. You see what I'm doing during trading hours and all this and that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the actual stuff that I wanted to talk about. Is the stock market crashing? Well, technically it is crashing, right? In the sense that we have a majority of stocks going down. Cordia finished positive today, so just to let's mess this up a little bit. I'm looking a little too curvy there. Gonna have to hit up my barber. Uh, but anyways, Cordia finished positive, but a lot of the other stocks are down. A lot of electric vehicle stocks are down. Tesla went below 700 for the first time in a long time. Today, I think it finished above 700. I think it finished like 707 or something like that. Do I think it's going to continue? Like, do I think you should be completely worried and sell all your stocks and don't invest in the stock market and just wait until everything resides? No, I think, the crashes like this happen all the time, and we've had an incredible bull run. It's bound to meet some resistance at some point. I think this is a lot of what we're seeing. Companies like NIO dropped all the way down to like $42 today. At some point, I think they finished just under 50 today. A lot of stocks are dropping, and I want to remind you guys, when things like this happen, if you have good stocks, if you get ahead of the curve and you sell out and you're just lucky, or you just knew something that everybody didn't and you were able to sell all your stocks and then it dropped and then you buy back in, yes, that's a great strategy. You're going to get taxed on that money, but ultimately, if you can secure more profit and buy back in for the same amount, while keeping that profit, yeah, kudos to you. I don't know what the profit margin is going to look like. Me personally, most of the time, what I do is just hold my stocks through the crashes and buy the dips, because ultimately, when things do go down this much, they've already proven to go higher. So it's almost a safer bet buying on super red days. Buy the dips. It's really, you'll hear it from everybody. If you believe in a company, say you hold 100 shares of a company and it drops by 20%, yeah, add more. Load up the boat. It's not worth it to panic and sell all your shares, especially when it's low. Like, selling shares when it's low, you're selling at a loss. When it could go back up, at least hold it till it makes a little bit of a rebound. But yeah, another thing I did was, or when things like this happen, is I like to move. I'll sell some of my smaller positions, or my positions that I don't have as much conviction in, and I will move that money into stocks that I absolutely believe in because they are on discount, and I will put that money into there just to have a more concentrated position. Right now in my portfolio, I think I only have 3 stocks. This is the least amount of stocks I've ever had in my life, but it is because everything was crashing, so to speak, quote unquote. But yeah, I put a lot of my money into one stock in particular. If you guys know me, you could probably guess what that stock is. If you want to know for sure, check out the Patreon. But yeah, I would say just don't panic. There's no reason to panic right now. Hold your assets. I think we're going to see a strong rebound. I think the summer is going to be really, really good for the stock market. I think we've seen the summer shows that, coronavirus is less prevalent in the summer because of the heat or the sun, something behind that. Hopefully people keep getting vaccinated and maybe we get a treatment out there soon. I think it's looking up, though. I don't think there's really any reason to panic. I don't think the stock market's going to drop by like 50% or something crazy like that. I don't think we're going to see another stock market collapse. At this point, I don't think so. I certainly still have stocks. I certainly have a lot of money in stocks. I didn't necessarily take any money out of my account for this. I did move it around. But yeah, don't panic. Hold your stocks long term. You really can't get beat. Don't look at it on days like this too. You know what I mean? I would, like yesterday, I think this is our second week in a row of of loss. I think maybe 3 weeks in a row now, well, because it's only Tuesday, but technically these past 2 weeks. And I think that's the first time in a long time. And this that bull market that we've been having it's not normal. There's been some really weird circumstances. I think we're still in a lot of really weird circumstances. And I think a lot of things are going to start to play out and make sense. And I think stocks are going to ultimately start doing good again. As long as they're good stocks. Bad stocks are going to do bad. Stay away from those. Um, but yeah, that's really it. That's all I have for you guys. Don't panic. Just be smart. If you're invested in good companies, there's no reason to worry. Like Neo went down so much, I'm invested in Neo, and I'm not selling any shares. I sold some shares when it was at $58 just to buy more of a certain company, but I'm not selling shares out of panic. I'm actually holding those shares long term. So really, it doesn't matter to me what that looks like now because I'm planning on holding that for 3 to 5 years at least. And so days like this, you just look away, go do something else. Go make yourself breakfast, treat yourself right, have a good day. Don't let these negative days hinder you, because ultimately, as long as you keep your investment goals in mind and know where you're heading in the future, then you'll always be good. And just stay diligent, stay active. That's it. That's all I got. I'm gonna cut it there. Thanks for watching. I want to make this video short and just talk about this stock market crash that everybody's talking about. I don't think you have a reason to panic. I don't think it's gonna drop below 50%. That's it, guys. Hit that subscribe button for me. It does help. I know we have 7 subscribers now. Woo! We're cracking. We're almost to that double digits. Celebrate the little things. Yeah, that's it. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.